Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna go ahead and get started. I've been wanting to do this rose gold look that I had posted on my Instagram, and now that I have a chance to, I'm making it a Valentine's Day look. So what we're going to do is just conceal and prep and prime our eyelids. We're actually just going to do half of the lid. We're going to leave the lash line a bit bare because the liquid shadow we're going to use doesn't really hang on to powder or anything else. It works better when it's just by itself. So again, we're just going to do the usual. We're going to prep and prime our eyelid, set it, and we're going to go in with the first color, which is in the Too Faced chocolate bar, semi-sweet chocolate bar. And we're going to go in with Nugget, and we're going to place that into the crease. And after that, we're going to go into the Too Faced peach palette, and we're going to go in with Georgia and put that into the crease and blend it out. I know you won't be able to really see it, but just blend it out until you feel like it's blended enough. Now we're going to go in with another color. We're going to go in with Candied Peach and place that in the crease as well. We're going to place that even more directly into the crease to make it a little bit more, more crease-like. But we're going to blend that out as well. And we're going to get a Coastal Scents single eyeshadow. This is just a kind of hot pinkish one. We're going to dab a little bit and place that on the crease and blend that out as well. And after that, we're going to go back into the Too Faced palettes. We're going in with White Peach and Coconut Cream, and we're going to place that into the lid. We're going to make it kind of like a cut crease kind of style. We're just going to place it a little bit above the lash line. Next, we're going in with the cream eyeshadow. This is from Starlux Cosmetics. It's their shade Rose Gold. No, this is not sponsored by them, but I did get featured in their main page. And as of right now, it is sold out. But you can go ahead and get any rose gold color or make a rose gold color pigment and use that as your liner. That's all we're going to do. Just use that cream shadow as the eyeliner. Next, we're going in with the Marc Jacobs highliner and pink that. We're going to place that on our lower bottom lash line, and we're going to blend that just a little bit with the same crease colors we used at the beginning. We're going to use all of them on our lower bottom part and just blend it all out and add mascara to it as well. We're also going to go in with this IBY Beauty's Cosmetics highlighter and bubbly. It's kind of like a rose gold highlighter. We're going to place that on our cheeks, and we're going to place that in our inner corner as well. Last but not least, we're going in with our lipstick. This is from Milani. It's in Natural Chic. It's been my favorite go-to for like years. And after that, guys, you do your foundation, your base, everything else, and you are done. This is a nice daytime look for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. And Happy New Year. Hopefully 2018 started off great. And see you guys soon. Bye guys.